Certificates provide your learners with a sense of accomplishment and allow a paper trail of the coursework they have completed. There are a few things to consider before designing a certificate. Let's go through what you will need to complete before uploading one onto aNewSpring. Navigate to the Support tab. Here you will be able to view special codes you can add onto your certificate. These codes allow the system to input user data straight into the certificate to save you time. These, in combination with field functionality when using an application such as Adobe, will allow the certificate to work in conjunction with aNewSpring to create your generated certificates. Once complete, you can proceed to Adobe Acrobat, OpenOffice, Draw or InDesign. When working within a PDF document, you will need to use Prepare Form function in order for the codes to work correctly. This functionality will enable you to input form fields wherever relevant, where you can specify details such as fonts, sizes, and colors. Let's add in a learner name, the course name, and the date. Once you have added in all the relevant form fields, save the certificate as a PDF. Let's upload your certificate. Navigate back to your course template. Please note, the system will indicate example course title when testing the template, but rest assured this will have your course title once you access this content as a learner. You will now be able to seamlessly generate user certificates directly from aNewSpring. Thanks for watching.